Holiday decorating is in full swing by now for many of you. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about making sure you keep your home safe while you make it festive right after this. When you're working with wood, it's important to have the right tool for the job. Whether you need hand tools, power tools, finishing supplies, or just some good advice, the place to go is woodcraft.com. If you prefer hands-on help, stop by one of the 75 Woodcraft retail stores where you'll find classes taught by woodworking experts, plus all the latest woodworking tools and supplies. Woodcraft for all your woodworking needs. Visit them in person or at woodcraft.com or call 1-800-535-4486. It's that time of the year when everyone enjoys the glow of candlelight. Candles are a great way to decorate for the holidays, but every year they're responsible for as many as 8,000 house fires, resulting in 10,000 injuries, 1,000 deaths, and more than $1 billion in damage. The good news is that they can be prevented. Many fires start because candles fall over, so be sure they fit properly in the candle holder base and use candle holders that won't burn if the flame gets too low. Trim the wicks to 1/4 inch before lighting and stop burning the candle if the flame gets higher than 1.5 inches. Be sure to keep candles away from flammable materials like curtains. And finally, don't forget to extinguish them before leaving home or retiring for the night. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.